What's up guys? Welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tenorshare for Key, a professional iOS unlock tool. So if you forgot the passcode for your lock screen, screen time, or MDM remote management, you can easily remove it now. This being said, let's dive in. We'll start with the lock screen passcode. Once launch it on your computer, plug your phone in. Click Start on the home screen. Hit Next to proceed. To unlock the phone without passcode, navigate to the instructions for your device model, and then put it into recovery mode. For iPhone 10 or later, press and quickly release the volume up and down buttons successively, then press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Now Key will recognize your phone and match the latest iOS firmware for it. You can download it to any location on your computer, and then you can start removing. Make sure you are on a stable network and keep the phone attached during the process. Well done. Now let's go ahead and set it up as a new device. To get your data back, select Restore from iCloud or PC for the Apps and Data option. Enter your Apple ID and password. Then choose a backup to continue. As the restore goes on, all your apps and data will be coming back to your device. This is awesome. In the second part here, we'll go over how to turn off the screen time when we forgot the passcode. Make sure the phone is still connected with the computer. Then go to the Remove Screen Time Passcode section. Click Start Remove to proceed. The process will be done in seconds. Just like this. Now let's follow the instructions to complete the setup. Tap Customize Settings for the Make This Your New iPhone option. Select Don't Transfer Apps and Data. Tap Customize Settings again. Then tap Setup Later in Settings for screen time. Once returned to Settings, we'll see the screen time has been turned off. Moving on to our last part, we'll walk you through bypassing the MDM remote management. Go to the Bypass MDM field on the home screen. Click Start to continue. This is also a quick process, which could be done in a matter of seconds. Once done, go ahead with the setup until you get to the home screen. See, the MDM profile is gone. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.